Have you ever wondered what are the most epic views of Dubai's downtown and Burj Khalifa skyline are in this city? Tonight, we're going to take you on a series of property tours made specially for you during the night to show you what this city looks like after the sun is down. Tonight, we handpicked one of the most hidden gems of properties for you to show you what it looks like at night. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Volante. This is the one and only V-shaped 5-bedroom, 10,000 square foot penthouse. It is actually designed to look like a V-shape. The most ultimate, impeccable forms of luxury, space, and views all combined in one property. Now, when we talk about an ultra-luxury property, here is where every single detail matters. We can see that at Volante, the developer have done a phenomenal job to bring the utmost quality into the materials used, starting from this beautiful onyx countertop. This building has a private club. It's located exactly on the 4th floor and it's exclusive for the residents only. It has facilities that you've never seen like before. This penthouse at Volante is listed for sale. If you would like to know more information on it, get in touch with us and we'll be able to help you. Now, good night, and we'll see you on our next property tour.